Okay.
Alright guys, Pitbikesonic here. See, I said it this time. I got a few people saying in the last vlog that I just said alright guys, but it's alright guys, Pitbikesonic. And in today's vlog, we are off to pick up my new factory pit bike. I am so excited. Barely any sleep last night, guys. Yeah, big moment today. The start of 2026. Yeah, it's just mental. Now back when I was a kid, if you had told me that I was off to pick up my factory bike, I'd have never believed you. I've been racing bikes pretty much since the age of 8, and I pretty much knew straight away I wasn't very good at it. I was never at the front. I never won races when I was a kid, and yeah, I pretty much knew I was never going to make it. But I carried on doing it. I'm doing it for fun and loving it, and eventually I got okay at it, and we've won a few races now. But obviously this ain't the first time I've picked up a team pit bike. I've rode for Moto, I rode for CW before they finished, so it's not my first time. But this today feels a bit more special because we're not just getting a bike, we're getting the full lot today. We're getting the gazebo, we're getting the flooring, custom made levers to match the bike. We're getting the full works. And not just that, I'm doing all of this with my good mate Chris Wells. And if you had said to both of us when we were playing in the paddling pool together, that sounds a bit wrong, when we were like 5-6 years old, that we're now going to pick up our factory bikes, I don't think we'd ever believed it. But today we're going to do it. I'll see you there, guys. See it, here's the moment. So here it is, guys, my new factory YCF190 pit bike, courtesy of LRA. So you would have seen me riding one of these last year. This is Chris's, he's sticking with the GP bike, but I have decided to go with the Supermoto bike just because it's a bit more my brand, isn't it? Pitbikesonic. So thought we're going to go with the Supermoto. How good does it look? It looks absolutely amazing. Look at this, twin exhausts. Everything's better when it's a twin, isn't it? So yeah, completely new. Obviously I've never rode a 190 Supermoto before, but oh, how trick does it look. Massive thank you to Mike at LRA for this opportunity. Got a spare set of wheels as well, 4 wets, but we're being a bit of a test dummy. We're going to be trying these, well, we got King tyres. We're going to be trying these out in Spain against the PMTs. These are a new brand and we're going to see if they're any good. So we're trying them out in Spain. First time out on it will be at Mia Race Circuit in late February, so perfect time to start the season. But yeah, how good does it look? Looks mega.
This morning really, he's got quite robotic, and
yeah.
I'm like, just calm down.
It's shocking.
Awful.
Yeah. I couldn't watch it now.
Yeah.
It's the Chinese.
I want to ride around the car park with the vlog. Will anyone get angry?
As such, with like changing bars and stuff like
that. I haven't really asked. That dude, that's fun over. Oh, she feels mint.
Yeah.
Mega.
Happy?
Just for shits and giggles.
Bloody hell, I hope you've got a wide lens. Everyone might have to come a bit more.
I've got the metal legs, so.
Keep them for half hour to
This corridor looks like there's about 5.
You're not vlogging it, huh?
You've been practicing that all over
Right,
Christmas, haven't you?
those
So, as part of 2026, you will be having, I've just written GP there.
No,
It's
SM.
an SM, isn't it? A SM190 and leather support from us. You are getting a set of spare wheels. We have to put that down so you get them back at the end of the year, basically.
They ain't going to fit in my other bikes anyway.
There is no financial value to the property because it is our property.
Yeah.
You will also be getting £1,000 your 2026 race season, and your item of clothing will be added and scanned over to you when we're ready. The branding is LRA Moto and Viper Leathers, so you're representing two companies. Obviously we do ask that you have liveries as many places as you can.
Also,
Yeah.
you know we're getting the gazebo and the flooring.
Yes.
I'm sure you're not going to say no to this.
Oh, here we go. Go on.
But can I use that on my big bike?
Yeah, but it's a massive awning to carry around. That 6x3, it's huge.
I like a dog's bollocks, a big bike needs.
But I do have a spare 3x3 as well.
Oh, awesome.
We have had to add things into our contract for Pitbikesonic because YouTube originally wasn't on our list. So this is just bog standard marketing activities. You will get the updated links to everything because obviously Vipers is now a new one. It's just a bog standard, you need to tell us what you're doing. We know the race events you're going to anyway, and all we need from you, third,
26.
to sign the date, sir.
Last time it
Let's hand it, another one.
Oh, that explains no championship this year, doesn't it? Left-handed.
Really?
Do we need to have a picture behind the LRA?
You will, mate. We'll get it done.
Oh, we'll get me and Chris together.
Okay.
Right, guys. So here is my new YCF190.
Gotta do a dedication to that, don't we?
Right, guys. So here is my new YCF190, courtesy of LRA. Mega contract signed, some new leathers as well coming in from Viper Leathers as well. Just an amazing deal, and yeah, really look forward to riding it in Spain and getting it tested, and also trying out some new tyres as well to see if they're going to be able to compete with the PMT. So yeah, really like it. Massive thank you to Mike here at LRA for giving me this opportunity. I don't think there isn't anyone. There's no one in the country who's got a better mini bike deal than I have at the moment. I'm living the dream, absolutely living the dream, and a lot of it is down to you watching the YouTube channel that has made me give these opportunities to be able to do these sort of things. So a massive thank you to all you guys. If you've not already subscribed, probably best time to do it now because we're going to have a lot of fun on this. And if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys. I don't know what the next vlog's going to be, but I'll see you soon. Bye bye.